Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your British Airways account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. On your preferred browser, first click on the search bar and type in British Airways.co.uk and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for British Airways and hit enter. Either ways, you will be landing on the same page. You can see the first result is the britishairways.com. Click over there, and we are opening the same website over here. So let's close one and let's agree to all the cookies. And after that, you can see on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login option available over here. Click over there, and you can see the email section and pin or password section available over here. Enter your email or username over here and enter your pin or password over here, and then click on log into your British Airways account. Or if you forgot your details, just click here and go through a certain procedure to retrieve your details. And there guys, this is how you log into your British Airways account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.